Hey guys, I bought a butt out tool myself off my Amazon account. Check it out, it's an Amazon storefront. I'm an affiliate now. I have a storefront there with all my products, a lot of things that we use on the channel. My butt out tool being the one that everybody asks for, like 3 years now, 2.5 million views. And I reached out to the company themselves. They never wanted to respond. So my wife's like, just open up a Amazon storefront. So now I'm a paid associate with them and I get commission off of these, but it goes back to my channel because it's a lot of work, a lot of money, a lot of time, and everything that you guys purchase helps out create this into something more, hopefully a videographer, an editor. So we're gonna check it out. I've actually never used one. My father used it, so that's what I want to see. And I hear his voice in my head. You put it in, you dirty, you put it all the way in, you put the blah, blah, blah. I'm not even gonna put a rope or anything. This feels awkward, huh? Oh, wow. Wow. All right, well, I guess it is a reason to have it. Big difference. I just gutted my buck a few weeks back from PA, and I forgot my flashlight. So instead of running back, I just tried to gut it before, but it was dark already. I'm doing it by feel. And I really was like, man, I wish I had a butt out because I was having a hard time trying to get around the colon. So you might call it the anus. But anyway, and I'm using that awesome, this Western knife that my wife's grandfather had, and just kind of love this knife. It's like the perfect size. It's a 4-inch, but I do have my other knives that were from the video, the Benchmade Saddle Mountain Skinner, and that's a really high-end knife. And then there's all different. We have buck knives and things that we use are on my Amazon storefront. So check it out. There's a lot of different products, and I'm going to keep loading more. I really just opened it up, so I just started. It's kind of in disbelief right now how well this works. That's crazy. So it literally takes everything like out. So see, it really pulls everything completely out. Where with your finger, I've never had it that clean, not that easy. Definitely a believer this works well. So fast. So I guess I'll keep it in my pack. A lot of people gave me so much shit because I was like, oh well, it's something else to keep in the pack. It's not about the weight. I know I said weight. It was more so about the size of it, the shape of it, because my pack has so much camera gear. It's hard, but it's a good video. If you want, go check it out. How to field dress a deer using the butt out tool, but how to field dress a deer properly. Hopefully you're having a good season. Good luck. God bless.